Welcome to Christina's 1 Minute Home Tips. Pools are great in a hot summer day like this. When you're budgeting, make sure you will include your landscaping. Saltwater pools becoming more popular due to maintenance, cleanliness, and less chemicals. It is fun to have your hot tub built in the pool, but keep in mind, this hot tub is not usable in the winter months. Here they chose the Thai look, but it is a prefab pool with liner. It's important to separate your entertaining area from your pool area. For entertaining, multi-purpose gazebos are great. Make sure you keep your pool heater far away from the entertaining area. Making your surface area is very important. Concrete surfaces, if it cracks, it's expensive to break up. Stonework has to be laid properly, but it's easier to correct mistakes. Pool designs have come a long way for smaller backyards. If you don't want to spend your money on a cottage, create your own backyard paradise.